Welcome to day one of Aligned in the Everyday. Today we begin where all true alignment starts, by anchoring into the present moment and into your body. So wherever you are right now, whether you're sitting, standing, or lying down, take a moment to arrive. Let the breath slow. Let the noise soften. Let's begin by noticing what supports you beneath your body, the surface you're sitting or standing on, the ground beneath that, and the earth beneath that. You are supported. You are held. With your next inhale, imagine your breath moving downward, gently traveling from your lungs down into your belly, into your hips, all the way down to the soles of your feet. And as you exhale, feel yourself releasing just a little more into gravity. Nothing to fix, nothing to do, just presence. Imagine now that your body is a tree, your breath the wind, your awareness the sunlight. Let your roots extend down into the earth, wide and deep. Feel the energetic threads reaching beneath you, through soil and rock, connecting with the rhythms of the earth itself. This is your anchor. This is your truth. Not in mind, not in the future, but here, now, in this breath, in this body. Let's take 3 grounding breaths together. Inhale, slow and deep. Exhale, release. Let it go. Again, inhale. Exhale, soften. Last breath. Inhale, drawing energy in from the earth. Exhale, settling into presence. You are home. You are grounded. You are exactly where you're meant to be. As you carry this feeling into the rest of your day, remember today's alignment cue, grounded. Repeat it silently when you feel yourself pulled away from that. Let it call you back. And when you're ready, take a moment to reflect with today's question: what brings me into my body today? It might be a movement, a sound, a breath, a memory. Just notice and write what comes. This is the beginning of your rhythm, a return to presence, a quiet anchoring into you. We'll see you tomorrow.